this is my model of the ocean floor, and we are going to start with the seamounts. The seamounts are undersea mountains formed by volcanic activity, and these ones right here will be the volcanic islands. Volcanic islands are little islands on the ocean above sea level that are formed by underwater volcanoes and made up of lava. Let's go to the mid-ocean ridge. The mid-ocean ridge is a long, active submarine ridge system situated in the middle of the ocean basin and marking the site of the upwelling of magma associated with the seafloor spreading. The deep ocean trench is a long and narrow topographic depressions of the seafloor, which is also the deepest part of the ocean. The abyssal plains are an underwater plain on the deep ocean floor, usually found at depths between 3,000 meters and 6,000 meters, which is also the flattest part of the ocean that you can find. The continental shelf, which you can find on both sides, is the area of seabed around a large landmass where the sea is somewhat shallow compared with the rest of the open ocean. So for example, up here, this is a lot shallower than, say, for example, if you're on the abyssal plain. The continental slope is the slope between the outer edges of the continental shelf and the deep ocean floor. So it is just the in-between. My diorama, I just made it on a piece of paper. I just tried to write it out, put some color on it. All of the features shown are the seamount, the abyssal plain, the deep ocean trench, continental shelf, continental slope, mid-ocean ridge, and volcanic islands. And the three main regions of the ocean floor is the continental shelf and slope, the ocean floor itself, and the mid-ocean ridge. The west coast is the active margin, which is the location of earthquakes, volcanoes, and mountains. The east coast is the passive margin, which is the location of the Gulf Coast, which is how we know which is west and east. Mid-ocean ridges are spreading centers. They are divergent plate boundaries where magma wells up from below, creating a new oceanic crust. Ocean trenches form where crustal plates plunge back into the mantle. These long and narrow depressions are associated with convergent plate boundaries.